This is Bir Hospital in Kathmandu, Nepal, where a comprehensive healthcare waste management program recycles on average 79% of total hospital waste. Adjacent to Bir's Healthcare Waste Management Center is a garden constructed from recycled materials. The garden houses an ecologically driven bio-digestion plant, and just nearby is the experimental worm composting facility. The bio-digestion plant is used to recycle the extensive quantities of food waste recovered every day by the hospital waste segregation system. Until now, this waste would be sent to one of Kathmandu's controversial landfill sites. Bio-digestion refers to a process, technically known as anaerobic digestion, wherein bacteria trigger the breakdown of organic matter in environments with little or no oxygen. In this way, food waste can be recycled into useful byproducts, for instance, a biogas made up of methane and carbon dioxide. This biogas burns cleanly and efficiently and can be used by the hospital to supplement traditional supplies of bottled propane. Another byproduct of anaerobic digestion is a slurry, which is rich in potential. Currently, the slurry from the process is channeled into the sewer system without any further handling. However, HECAF would like to make use of its agricultural promise, and testing is planned to prove that the anaerobic digestion process is capable of destroying any pathogens that may be in the waste. In another promising inquiry, Bir and the HECAF team are experimenting with the unusual prospect of worm composting. That is, the creation of organic compost by earthworms from what is known as soft waste, mostly bandages and dressings. These drums were loaded with used cotton gauze, soiled with blood and other bodily fluids, which were subsequently disinfected in an autoclave. The earthworms eat the cotton and gauze, producing just a small amount of residue. Even food waste and non-recyclable paper could be disposed of in this way. Different waste mixtures and conditions are being tested to see how the worms fare best. The residue produced by worm composting is another recycling byproduct that holds out enormous promise. Worm composting could help solve the problems of final disposal of untreated healthcare waste in areas outside of Kathmandu where there is no municipal waste collection. This pioneering experimentation shows how HECAF's work at Bir has benefits far beyond this one hospital.